Hi, my name is Kaci Ryder. I'm from Massachusetts. I'm a senior at Utica University. My major is health science. I'm actually eventually going to go into sonography, but I'm also on the women's ice hockey team, and today I'm going to be taking you on a day in the life with me. It's about 6:45 right now in the morning, and we have practice at 7:30. So just finished practice today. It was really competitive, a lot of battle drills, and then I'm about to go change and then head over to the library. Usually after practice, I'll come to the library and do some homework and stop at Utica Coffee and get an iced mocha. And then I'll do homework for a couple hours, and then I will go to physics. Okay, so this is my usual spot in the library. I'm going to be doing some physics homework and also some homework for my healthcare marketing class. And then I'll be here for a couple hours, and then I'll see you guys when I come back for physics. Alright, so now we are at the dome and we have a 3 o'clock lift. I will update you during the lift. So it's about like 4:30 right now, and I actually have a Zoom class at 5 o'clock for healthcare and marketing. Today we're kind of just going over like a little project that we're doing, so it shouldn't be too long. Okay, so it's about 7:30 now. Our class ended a little bit earlier today just because we were just going over the project and started working on it. But it was a good class overall, and now I'm actually about to head home and I'm done for the day.